Ever wondered why most fighter jets use two engines instead of one? Two engines mean double thrust for A, helping jets reach supersonic speeds in seconds.
If one engine fails in combat, the second engine can still bring the pilot home.
Twin engines give better maneuverability during high-G dogfights.
Long-range strike missions need reliability to SUI, and twin engines deliver it. Long-range strike missions need reliability quality, and twin engines deliver it. Legendary jets like the F-15 and Su-57 rely on twin engines for dominance.
That's why twin engines mean more power, more safety, and total air superiority.